A mighty king stands at the peak of power, surveying his empire with pride. Is not this great Babylon, which I have built by my mighty power? But heaven has other plans. A dream of a towering tree chopped down. A voice from above. Let his mind be changed from a man's. Let him be given the mind of a beast. For 7 years, the king lives like an animal until he looks up to heaven. Welcome back to Understanding the Book of Daniel, Episode 4, Pride Goes Before Destruction and God. Humbles the proud to save them. This chapter is Nebuchadnezzar's own account as a decree to all peoples and nations. He praises the Most High God for his signs and wonders. He recounts a troubling dream that terrified him. Calls for wise men, but none can interpret, finally. Daniel is brought in the one in whom is the spirit of the holy gods. A tree in the midst of the earth, huge, strong, top reaches heaven, visible to the ends of the earth, provides food for all, birds nest in it. These shelter under its symbol of the king's universal dominion and provision, a holy watcher. Descends from heaven and cries, chop down the tree but leave the stump bound with iron and bronze. Let his portion be with the beasts. Let his mind be changed for 7 periods of time. Daniel is astonished and alarmed. The tree equals you. O king, your greatness reaches to heaven. Rules to the ends of the earth. The decree, you will be driven from men, live with beasts. Eat grass like an ox. What with do? For 7 periods. Daniel's urgent counsel, break off your sins by practicing righteousness. Show mercy to the oppressed. A year later, walking on his palace roof, Nebuchadnezzar boasts, is not this great Babylon, which I have built by my mighty power. Voice from heaven, to you it is spoken. The kingdom has departed from you, instantly fulfilled. Driven from men, eats grass like an ox, hair like eagle's feathers, nails like bird's claws. At the end of the time, I, Nebuchadnezzar, lifted my eyes to heaven, and my reason returned to me. He blesses the Most High, praises him whose dominion is everlasting. Now I, Nebuchadnezzar, praise and extol and honor the King of heaven. All his ways are justice. Those who walk in pride he is able to humble. Chapter 4 is a sobering reminder. No one is too high for God to humble, or too low for his grace. Pride leads to madness. Next episode, Chapter 5, The Writing on the Wall. Subscribe, like if this encouraged you, and stay humble together.